Welcome to the R-Seal animated installation video. The first step is to make sure the structure is plumb and square. Non-skinning butyl sealant is applied to the notched slab. Flush and bypass base conditions will be reviewed shortly. C-channel is installed in the notched slab and fastened with powder-actuated fasteners. Here is a close-up of where to place the non-skinning butyl sealant when using the alternate flush and overhang base conditions. The interior corner trim is attached using self-drilling panhead screws. Non-skinning butyl sealant is applied to the base channel, the interior corner trim, and the eave strut. This creates the interior air and vapor seals. The first panel is cut along its length in accordance with R-Seal shop drawings. Place the first panel into the base channel and on top of the non-skinning butyl sealant. Attach the panel to the structure using self-drilling through fasteners with 3-inch diameter fender washers. The installing contractor determines the amount and placement of fasteners. An alternate fastening procedure involves the use of double-sided tape in lieu of through fasteners. The installing contractor determines the placement of the tape. The backing tape is now removed, sealing the side joints. This process may be done as each panel is installed or as the exterior cladding is added. These tape tabs ensure continuity of the exterior side weather seal and the interior air and vapor seals. A self-adhering air-water membrane is now installed at the base, providing a weather seal. This close-up shows how the membrane is applied over the alternate flush and overhang base conditions. Non-skinning butyl sealant is applied to the perimeter of the window opening, providing the interior air and vapor seals. The panel on the left side is notched using a utility knife, circular or reciprocal saw. It is then placed in the channel at the bottom and lined up with the window opening. Depending on the window width, the panels above may be factory cut to length, otherwise field cut as required. The panel on the right side is now cut in the same way as the panel on the left. The last panel on the wall is now field cut to the required width and fastened accordingly. The window is now sealed with self-adhering air-water membrane at the sill, jambs, and head, providing the exterior weather seal. Moving around the corner, the first panel is cut to width and installed. The end wall panels are cut to slope and attached. Air-water membrane tape is applied, completing the weather seal. The process is repeated until all walls have been sheeted. Base trim is installed in preparation for metal panels. Other types of rain screen systems may also be used with R-Seal. Many contractors prefer to install the metal panels at the same time as the R-Seal system, rather than afterward as shown here. Either method is acceptable. R-Seal allows you to choose any metal panel system so you don't have to make compromises. Outstanding performance, robust detailing, simplified installation, and quick delivery make R-Seal an ideal choice for your pre-engineered building projects.